Talking on the phone all night long till we say wow, it's already done. I wanna stare at you, brush your hair behind your ears and say, baby, I love you. Remember the time in the crowded street I stopped and asked you for a kiss, and that I really miss. Now I find it hard to fall asleep. I keep thinking by the way and how you make me feel when you say I never give a reason to make you go away. Baby, I'm a little bit hurt, a little bit curious. This feeling is unfamiliar. I'm crazy about the things, but I don't mean to be so peculiar. Even though I'm far away, day by day, make a way to make you stay. I'll put a smile on your face, 'cause I can erase my secret obsessions. Just me all alone. Then you came, boom, everything became precious. I'm getting anxious, though I know you are faithful to me, but I keep getting jealous of something, but turned out nothing. Just buttered on what I call defense mechanism. Keep speculating, wanting answers but absurd. Then suddenly it was all my imagination. Baby, I'm a little bit hurt, a little bit curious. This feeling is unfamiliar. I'm crazy about the things, but I don't mean to be so peculiar. Even though I'm far away, day by day, make a way to make you stay. I'll put a smile on your face, 'cause I can't erase my secret obsession. I'm jealous of nothing. You know I'm guilty. I'm sorry, but I'm just obsessed. I'm selfish when it comes